Alright guys, today we're going to go ahead and do a short on teeth whitening and the products that we use, which one of them we're going to show, which is Crest. Yes. And she's going to show up. This is what the sensitivity.
And this is what we use
afterwards.
as well.
So yes, we do brush our teeth twice. This 30 minutes, 45, depends on the duration of how long you want to let your teeth whiten in the process and the taste off.
So let's get into this video, guys. So I will be using the sensitive first for the teeth whitening because I don't want the wind to hit my teeth and it start hurting. So I'm going to go with this first.
And I'm using this one, of course, yes. Just this, and it's got a bamboo. Brush the tooth first. Guys, I'm going to take this in floss Alright, so now applying the strips is what's important. Alright, let's go apply these strips on you, dude. Rip it up. Boom, bam. All celebrities and stars use it. Start using them, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen.
So the top.
Top strip.
Now it's the waiting time. We wait 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's
30
it.
minutes. We're going to go mingle and then we come back. See you in 30 minutes.
Yep. Wait just a second.
All right, guys. So we have 50 seconds left for our teeth. Okay, it's about that time. All right, it's done.
Sorry.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use my bamboo tooth. I'm gonna go ahead and use the bamboo toothbrush to scrub off all the excess glue or gooey stuff off our teeth. You see? And your teeth's not gonna get whitened overnight. You gotta constantly do it every day. Yeah, so this is our teeth results.
Yeah.
See you in the next teeth whitening routine.
Peace.